Tá tú a géisioach leis na Gaelgals ar Raidió Rí-Rá.
Fáilte strapaach déisteachta Nollaig chuna daoibh tá sibh géisteach go Podchraoladh na Gaelgals agus inniu tá mé an seo trí Tomfada agus tá Al agus Rachel chunas tá sibh gals.
Go mai, yeah, tuirseach, but go mai. Agus tú, Sinéad, cos tá tú thar lear nach bhfuil?
Yes, tá mé sa túlan fiúir, so like nar bhímar déanana bhíirte é seo agrú bhí méidir am leis an difriocht ama. Like tá ní le difriocht óra idir éan agus an túlan ach fós bhí méidir, so tá burnar fi sin. Ach táman se don Nollaig le a grifóir, mar tá si agus a fear céile weird trééis seach nua aá lena chéile. So hána an seo chun an teach eáil an céadúir agus oh my god, tá sé just go hálan, like ní étá cean mar seo all in éan, you know, ar an gustas céine.
Yeah,
just
sin có jazz.
Yeah. So bhí sé tá sé go hálan agus tá sé chuisneachta an támar fád an seo.
Oh good.
Yeah, agus just bín work ália le feicáil timp náta an támar fád. Agus bhí just like Nollaig i dhéanamh tír eagsúil, mar bí nósna eagsúil ag tíortha eagsúil agus gacrúd, so bhí sin just. Al, chunas mar bhí dod Nollaig agus chunas mar tá tú fiúir.
Tá mé go brav, bhí mu just swinine seán trúr like globetrotters atá.
Yeah, sin
féidir rud le céile. Ní bhíon deis again because Támuid, I think I mean like Rachel ag dul I do chola nuair atá muidna like gaiirí ar mágin.
Yeah,
idir like America huí agus Qatar.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
Cad é an difric drama actually, like cad é an difric drama idir Doha agus Éireann.
Níl ach like 3 or capam. Yeah, so like tá Doha 3 or like in Éireann capam 3 or. But ní déanaan Qatar daylight savings, so athraíonn sé like ar na bliana like ag bra air the daylight savings, but I think faoi láthair tá sé 3 or and like chuir fiú se then like cad é an difriocht ama.
So Tommy Trace, you know, on rud sin ar the phone.
Oh yeah.
Agus so fi láthir, okay, in Ottawa, so bheith Alswyn Chris McCaina, tá sé 2 clog agus I Doha tá sé 10 clog.
Wow.
Yes, sin 8 úr like.
8 úr, yeah, okay. Níl sé códonna, but tá sé Jackar rudí agrú because, you know.
Yeah.
Crackálta.
Crackálta.
Wow.
A bhí sé just bheith sáilit an Nollaig nach raibh like.
Yeah, bhí. Chuir a rinne sibh don Nollaig Alswyn.
Fuck.
Like, yeah, mis fresh.
Ní éonmuid aonrod, like ní muid like ní héim amach ar like láile Stefan, ní héim amach ar ihe Nollaig, like literally fánam isté agus bhíam ag léamh na leabhar a aim ó Santi.
Oh, yeah, mis mar ggéine like bhí sé just like cougar in Mochláán agus mar seanmháthair, like just Cheshire gwinte chalk, like near Agmar and chalk, like actually well hui mé ar siúlód le miad agus na Madri, but shock sé sin ní ag mé an chalk don lár fád, literally just mé dul mé. Bhí like karaoke a gwyn.
Oh, Rachel is bralam na fi seán ó nuair dhéanann sibh karaoke gach bliain. I'm like fan up there. An támar fád, mar mohíim gnéanaan dul cheáileach like not na hair an céine, but like déanaan de grathir like na hairrod kind of céine. Oh, like kill drama and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so funny. Like Mbliain, because Níl Mbliain go mai ag canna bless him. So ní éanann sé tria, like he just síonn sé sios and like tógann sé fi sean, because I was like fi sé ar meisce. So like gach am a bhí mo wam serious, like ag déanam karaoke, my dad was like hype man #1, like leis on camera, like in aig mo wahar, it's so funny. So yeah, just ní rinne mar mór an. Hui mé amach ar air le carja over head off, so bhí mé a fusion don Cade or
oh my god,
like for ages. Obviously she co grandver, because like even though grev me harlar ar fa like misa near ahrin einwood, like near ahar einwood idir head like fan and gacod mar gaine, so it's so funny. It's like hunnic me dini vi me a man school like so grandver. But literally taught me fall boss and you like just Tom a corp creek na halum like it's like stop please. But yeah. fuair sibh ein rudí deas mar brunta this?
Well, an brunches is mó for mission not bhí mo histí an just dig siad as na hetaltí dom chapter jo.
Oh, cute.
So been like an brunchen is mó a for me agus. For me, oh my god, sorry, gals. So my griff for she darvan dumsa agus the her dulquig spa not eile Stefan. So Tudin, yeah, it's Stockholm. Agus ní ra mé riomh a spa in my hail, so bhí sé cojas. Oh my god, go hálan. Hit mé am cola, I'd say like free. Would be say anjas. Beamer a like Finnish sauna, because it's red moration like is Scandinavia, you know. Agus we make snob, agus we make a like lin snava on tat, we say just go hálan. So inish come gotha the spas. Agus my mate ag dinner to do on the minute. View in Canada, I'm like, okay, buy so like spas in Ottawa a chuirdeach agus do an sin. And for me Aimard Ella just for me glurity like bioga. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like on Rudis no for me not like na hetalty chocolate and just so be sin go Holland but cared poof.
Well, for me I always do that. Ní for me ein rud kind of like more.
Yeah.
Thugma iad airge dom mar tá like níl man an teachtar an focail Burla fiú. Tournament. Tá like tournament pelvic Gaelach agum mianar in Abu Dhabi. So tá like etalty curnar so yeah thugma iad airge dom. Agus yeah thugma am more like galore rudí beag agum. I'd so like tá sé Jackar teachtar rudí like súla smuide agus tan agus you know rudí mar sin in Qatar, so yeah for me like gabhaid el tan smuide bhí mo am cóglóte like nuair bhí si I pennies like cúpla or le Janie just piuc si rudí beag suas dom like brogi and like Leila jazz rudí mar sin and yeah an leabhar ó muidir harcha
Cén leabhar?
Cén táimtar can Colleen Hoover cap him?
Oh yeah.
Ugly love agus it ends with us.
Cén fág mean an urchin like rack agus like cunspoid fina leabhar. I mean she's really like cunspoidach or no.
To be honest, Neilm Quinta because near lay me leabhar Colleen Hoover Reeve, so
okay.
But I'll let you know.
Yeah, please Aberlum. lei tú leabhar Colleen Hoover al go.
No, near lei like bhí méid swinover ceanna ceannach agus bhí méid swinover beidir like scríbham muid like lisa in Arglán. It's like seo cúpla smaoinmh. Agus bhí méid swinover ceann an leir sin a chuir, but I ní dáling go mí si scríb éar an cunspoid. I think an cunspoid tá ann atá like daoine ann atá gafa le hi agus tá daoine eile ann atá a bhí na grag she can all overrated. So sin Alex sin é ceapam like níl mór an.
No Sally Rooney come on. Do you know? Tá daoine an ag like gafa le hi.
Cos méid ag léomh an leir nua seci cos formation don Nollaig Oh Beautiful World. So
What happened to we?
Tá mé like cabhar le chathair say faoin státe like typical Sally Rooney. It's like ní Harlíonn like ní Elaine rud ag Charlíonn. It's just kind of like sure
ní Harlíonn in rud fa an leabhar omlán le bheith.
Yeah.
Hathníonn sé lom because hathníonn like the character lom like ceappa go raibh sé simú but like near her le fhacht like.
Yeah. Because like I'd say go sé kind of ní scared at conversations with friends like relied on normal people I feel like entirely and stuff agus tá sé kind of exact that plot out because it's like on burst acu like agus sin é and I think nar being cúpla character eki it's kind of like okay tá you know
Jacker
yeah I think for Irish lei me co fada le capital le cúig no shakes and sin just stuff me yeah and you're creaking me and you're even good tan boss like ceap me gur sé Jacker le lever cu shaken mar nach nach rion sé ó jarca go jarca agus an rud sin gone in a cuairtí kainte freshen Lord alive Bhí mé anige normal people mar bhí scéal an agus bhí mé an ní raibh burt a caiint an chud is mód an, but bhí sin níos deacra le leanúnt ceapam sa leabhar sin. What is it called? Cin an leir Beautiful World? Oh,
Beautiful world, beautiful people.
Beautiful world, where are you?
Oh,
Beautiful World, where are you?
I think.
Yeah.
Currently conversations with friends are happening conversation with friends live.
Níor le mé sin go fóil.
Catherine say níos fear ná normal people.
Oh,
you have to.
Yeah.
I think tá mé gur smíomh inis ar lei mé sin ceapan gréise sin leite agam a bhád rih normal people, cos lei mé normal people like gá lás or hána an sra amach, cos like bhí mé gurí é a léimh sola raibh an rudder fáil. I think, I mean, tá conversations with friends canal, sin just an stíl atá. It's like ní ri kind of tarlíonn an a chud, like níor hahan an sra conversations with friends lom. Like
ní ranig mé sin.
No, ní ranig mé.
Yeah, honestly ní bhfuil like tá normal people just specialte agus the conversations with friends, it's just like tá sé just lads like it's like tá sé no Ireland like
happen on Ireland. See Catherine goes to jazz like it's might shield. I feel like fine to like léir gas might and the character. I know like Neil Lane would really entirely like Neil Lane put it on, but like I don't know, it's like an insight to say on the character almost. Just our fa like cúpla mísa or whatever. I don't know.
Nach néan údaration like Dane gano like ní Harlíonn Aonrad mór mílteach I leabhar le puinte a dhéanamh nach gá de héile bheith simúl.
Yeah, gná saoil atá.
Gná saoil atá. Like ní gá meg like rudí mór mílteach ag tuairní dit.
Mór mílteach ag tarlú,
Yeah, saoil specialta agus, you know, tá muid specialta in our mbliain.
Yeah.
We actually just a kinder normal people and right to be vacant like Instagram now, you know, Drift or Paul like thought you just call Ashtok dumb like vacant here just a rash to Kildara. I'm like it's literally superstar. He's just like ag to ski him on hoot or something like what? Are you joking? An Lannan should be an Lannan.
Yeah, tá ceol má aici.
Ní go like níbhíam ag leanúd like celebs ar chora bit. I probably should because Tom Co as on loop like pop culture like ní sé osco graf Paul Mescal ar asha Kildare because níl sé go mar Instagram so or
ní lehanach aige heile I don't think.
No, Neil.
Oh, nach bhfuil?
No, Neil. Tá sé rocool instant.
Yeah, I mean fair.
A gradin sibh an rafla.
Stad ní tásúlagam nach bhfuil sé fear push.
Okay, cad é an rafla because honnig mé rud éigen ar TikTok, but I don't know how much rud céine.
Gohfuil Phoebe agus Paul burst to suas.
Okay, no, honnig mé rud éigen omland difriil and it was so similar. Like, so yeah, bhí daoine ag rá go raibh siad burst to suas. Ach bhí daoine eile ag rá go raibh cuma ar an like situation go raibh Paul, Phoebe agus Daisy Edgar Jones in cadre of a one.
Oh,
like I'm sure okay. What?
Honnig mé sin. Is given them Twitter honnig me. You know, was it Iha Hauna agus bhí an Vertigo Paul agus Daisy Glaiston mar na character o Fleabag.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so na version scale amach Grey Phoebe agus Paul Burst to suas curd an aigen an fiction suas de Paul agus Daisy agrá like Tasha Torlu, you know, by sheets in a lanu lena Kayla go lua.
So Kay Coada is atá on like Rafla Mock Gwil she'd Burst to suas like
I'd say like Lemmy-ish.
Okay, agus an bhfuil Instagram ag Phoebe Bridges.
Phoebe, yeah, tá. You know, tá sé simil mar an nuri caiisiad Nollaig lena chéile Dara. So cheapá beidir mlína go méid sin lena chéile like sna stá dainte ach caiisiad scartha.
Yeah.
Scanalach.
Yeah, scanalach. But tásúlagam nach bhfuil sé fear mar is bralamíd mar lánún.
Yeah, I miss you fashion.
Ashtok. Agus like na memes a hook and she's doing iconic.
Yeah.
Like, you know, Bindini agrá like, oh my god, like ties like Phoebe Bridgers be like the Kildare County Championship or something, you know.
Yeah.
Or like you know ag an lately toy show being Dini Gra, oh my god, he Paul she is leis an toy show a being the Phoebe gafol. Call this. But yeah, ní bhfuair mé aon leabhar mléana don céadúir bíonnta.
Bairs ceanna ceannach a ggur de bhela arás Canada.
Yeah.
Seo really nóireach, okay? Cheannig mé leabhar don hain gáiseach na hin ar folasí tííochta. Ew. Agus an tanmtá ar ná gaffs. Agus tá sé scrífa ag léictóir ó mániúd actually.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
Yeah, agus actually an léictóir an duine seo, but a stórhóir léictóir an léictóir a thug cebhar de roisin a tráchtas a scríb.
Oh, class.
Oh.
Oh, sin
Rory Ahern ar dégad. Déis mé le Podchraoladh blind boy, agus bhí seisna kind faoin like chorus tííochta bla bla. Ach bhí sé á dhéanamh amach a bhí éasca le tuiscint, because go bhís domsa an méid tá rud agan san ná, okay, iham avocado toast, ní bhaid teach agam riamh. Sin just mar tá sé. But níl like níos an ribioga ar rud agam, so tá sé actually má, like tá mé á lei fiúlagus tá sé láidir annach, but I think bhfuil sé tábhachtach, you know, they're ready to
Yeah.
was good. Aaron
Sinrod like
Níl muid
mar sin.
Like tusa ag léibh housing policy and I'm mis ag léibh Colleen Hoover.
Bar am ag léibh sin, to be honest. You know, like orint have been like trave agats and you're like touch degree fiction na léibh, and then orint been degree like na-fiction na léibh. I'm on a big like na-fiction buzz for her. So
Bhí mé ar buzz na-fiction ar fa, like I'd say on like tús na bliana, because rinne mé like New Year's resolution na bliana iirecht a dhéanamh leabhar amháin a léibh in aig gach mí, but near Ireland. I think léibh mé ocht leabhar, which is a bit embarrassing because
no,
yeah, bhí sé níos fearr ná an Bliain River, so progress.
Sin níos mó ná lá.
Yeah, sin fear. But ag tús na bliana bhí mé léibh, it's so weird, but like nav fiction, but like crime. You know, like bhí mé léibh leabhar like faoi the monk, you know, like gang and stuff. So similar.
I Maliach Lia.
Yeah, Maliach Lia.
Yeah, tá sé sin simú.
Tá. But now I'm like a geary, like rudí níos éasca le léibh, so Colleen Hoover, you're up.
You're up.
Bhfuil go mór na leabhar atá ó céim tantá an úidir Taylor
Swift?
No. I mean, Agoni. Is it Jenkins Reid? Scríb she like Malibu Rising agus The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo.
Oh yeah.
Bhí sin ar my list, but
honestly, Becordy if bhí an leabhar sin iontoch. Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, which is in class. Yeah, honestly, bullying agus bhí Malibu Rising go má, like so she just on éasca le léibh, like being stuff drama tool ag tarlúnt, and I'm like, yeah, eat it enough, like domsa tá sé on Jacker na-fiction na léibh, like on Jacker. Fiú má tá sé spatial, like it's spatial, I'm like alt a léibh, but then mas leabhar an time, I'm like, no. Bhíon arm sa like nótaí like a sustained diameter stuff, so yeah, she just needs éasca scéile on it.
Yeah, near Lame and Kenshin, what is it, the seven wives, husbands of Evelyn Hugo? Tá like an clúdach sin icónach, like near Lame and scale agus Neil Iscom came clutch Tasha scale, it's like dating on clúdach sin a Harrington, you know what I mean, where Tasha just the fact all her foot and hot. An bhfuil bhí mar New Year's resolutions right dúirt tú gur airg leat cúpla céanna críicniú agus a chuig gréic lína ar airg live ein kind of New Year's resolutions a dhéanamh lína comá a nuas ar sin no al
níor swinine mé ar sin in aoncur like ní dhéanam sin because domsa like tosaní an blion leis an blion acadúil like mí van for
Yeah.
So mohín go mé kind of lór na bliana I like mi hanner.
Yeah,
That's big
sin
Virgo.
fear.
That's big Virgo energy on Taurus sin.
Anna, I don't know. Do my Scorpio do we have a Virgo moon or mar sin ní hick stuff.
Major.
Oh. No, I don't know. Mbliain bhí made kind of a cappa ceannaí of, but then I don't know, because aren't like change it kind of toxic dumb, because like nor knock rev me an on lower lave say like I think beidir me lunas a bhí an níor aiglum lower creek nu mar like bhí me ag dollar ashka guitar bhí me go hoch le skull and then like bhí really dima like I was like, and then kind of ní rev ein kind of sprag gum ní smó a lave because I was like tá she brista had a faint tá she wrote so I don't know, and then like
sorry,
but I think Branche, like I think Branche, I think big she just like Rud Egan pages like tree of one just Rud Egan nua shock is like Ruddy a shackent or like whatever, like I Neelam kind of interested gone of it her Ruddy or like oh Ruddy or like you know I'm like Beja just I don't know and well too couldn't Kenny of
near Irigum ní dulum ein ceannaí of Mbliain mar ag tús na bliana seo níor smínig mé like cared or wahlam a bhí amach sa cuí sin. I was just like, okay, Dane an mástrucht, Kirknig an mástrucht, agus an sin féach cad a bhí. I think an tain ceanna bhí agam ná rud éigean eile a dhéanamh seachas an múntúireacht. So like rinne mé sin is stocha, you know, as in like bun múntúireacht, you know what I mean? Oh hey, like an bbliain se hugan de tá ceann a bháin agam agus tá sé actually tá gá ceann agam bhí mé sinna very new ceann a bháin na beidir kind of just sus a ghlacha so like nuair hagam mar show Canada I'm just kind of like sus a ghlacha agus like
it's even sin
just gone a bit ag ober go realta or fa like few like misa, you know what I mean, just you know Dane piece of unidiocha nurse meanlum agus just smínig character cared wahla me of mar him like trace people being Tommy trace like you know still quick an skull tame of being drihidi of rash quick an skull master just like near dash like sus a gaka sin go so I think in animation agus chonig my brother Twitter today a hat and it was like Dane Iraq like no we're raw but gone like over explaining again of Cain fa nach féidir lathra again of no nor wa lathra again of I think mar bra like tá sé jacker nation of mohin with goni gwiller and like leisgeld a hort fagini on tamerfad but like Neil so kun irachty innovation again of I think I'd say good depi me sticade V but we'll see Kirby's
I mean taking all like ní einam runa haflina mar an Russian like ní nor nach arun ma me of been like for so just taking on einam run mar sin but baralam nís ma acliacht of like tá me actually try to gamásawalia like tá me do quick Jim Oam agus just like mohim nís fair like ní really agor like ein or physical it's just like mohim nís fair trace acliacht so baralam non so mas rud gra me con ein spruch a rainu rain a grainu like nís ma acliacht of agus galanu noch
rinne me dermid dúirt mé am hénig tús de bliana seo freisin go rocking rash chuig rang na dééis agus renovation so tá sin go
my who
yes
Ceir fao planna don oops
trying to guess trying to guess yes like say
Peter Nish tarmsa each astro agus mé all ma cos ní animation
well is man rudig will master agus on is gur féidir le sin
so show like topic randomach sa chance gur like nuacht like cursi raha and no beidir ceol no
like fihe do or just like go general
fihe do
okay
imlíana so bhí an agus tá chun like rawan a hortíh so an céid ceist Taifeadadh an teocht is airde in Éireann riomh I Parc an Unisce, so Phoenix Park, in Éireann. So an teocht is airde bheag an riomh sa tír. So céibhéid céim a bhí ann, trocadó, trocatrí nó trocacathair. So an céim is airde a bhí.
Yeah, ain't mis Sinéad choca caitheann.
Ceap mis sin freisin ach trocatrí a bhí ann.
Oh,
Ní mór an difriúcht, but yeah, trocatrí.
Yeah. Bhí mé just chun dul leis an ceann is airde.
Is mó, yeah.
I mis freisin round mis mór ceanna chéine. Had a rinne an tíiseach mí hamarthain an céad lás fithe do mí anar fifidó.
Oh, ding, 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 ding. Cur sé deire leis na srínta cóidirpad.
Yeah, thank you, good.
Wow.
To be fair, Rachel sa tír.
No, ní rah. Agus tá níra, tá really good donna ag second ar nuacht. Actually, maybe that's my New Year's resolution. And that ag second ar nuacht níos mó. Cos níl clú dá laiad a go faoi aon rud atá tarlú in Éireann. Like,
well, is ma an relation Rach, to be honest?
Yeah, probably.
Honestly, like near me your brand new or nucht like nerd on my soalia because it's just stuff brown on camera fad.
Drug new to go.
No.
Literally
drug new to go.
Yeah, drug new to go. Earn to Liam like or 2 year my phone, but like really actually not like very, very seldom.
Not good actually Asha because like mbliain a creeknig na shrínta like bin just níos luha mbliain.
Yeah, crack
like i gceann mhaise sin bliain. Tá sé sin asha like I don't know, just madness. Okay, so seo cinál nuacht domhanda. So bhí Liz Truss mar tíiseach mar príomh ara an ríocht déanta ach ní raibh sí ann comhfada sin. So céibhéad lá a bhí eici mar tíiseach ar na ríocht déanta. 53 lá, 44 lá nó 53 lá.
Tom can 53 lá ará.
I'm going to say Dahid. Was it Dahid Cahar? Yeah, Rocky Miller sin.
Bhí an ceart le go Sinéad Dahid Cahar lá.
Oh, damn.
An tain fág an nurse sin, a mé nach mar cínte gur go bhaca mé tweet ag bra nar war si co fada le posa Kim Kardashian agus your man Chris. like war an posta sin níos fit.
Yeah, honnig mé an tweet sin. Yeah.
Not isha mar prívar.
Gas. Oh yeah, it's not mechanical speaking to them. So le Spotify, so Darren she'd like on Kilter smó like on made smó like streams. So Cahid on Kilter like made smó streams fi video. Harry Styles, Drake, no Bad Bunny.
Bad Bunny.
Harry Styles.
Bad Bunny atá.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I think it's mar gal got like music like kind of in Spanish agus tá
Spanish.
Anna could do near down a Larry in Spanish.
Oh yeah, for all
so
Harry Styles like
I know. So Anna could features like Bad Bunny fresh and Sheelam and that like bums up.
Yeah.
Streams
Shin sneaky. The features.
Features always get you gals.
Céir an foot so seo like le technoliacht. So céir an focail is mó cuardach ar Google if do an focail Ukraine an Queen Elizabeth no Wordle.
Ooh.
So as an trí focail sin céir an focail is mó cuardach ar Google.
Queen Elizabeth Wordle agus an caitheann Ukraine.
Michigan Wordle ará.
Rocky Miller Ukraine.
Wordle a bhíon.
Yes.
Whoa.
So it's just like Tishmori a howlu, just like a curt Wordle is track a Google like
Moiad. Gachla. Agus an sin moam. Agus moiad a goni a gra. It only took me 2 tries.
Shout out to Fucklock. Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, beidir an ceistena cos níl no dig mé gá ceanna. So seo cean ceol freisin. So cé a bhuaig Best New Artist agus Best Vocal Album ag na Grammys in mbliana. Ra a hain Billie Eilish, ra a do Olivia Rodrigo, ra a trí Carly Rae Jepsen. So Best New Artist agus Best Vocal Album.
I think it was Olivia.
I would say Olivia Rodrigo. Yeah.
Ceap me sin freisin ach Billie Eilish bhíon.
Billie, yeah. Oh gosh.
Best New
Wow.
Artist. Like
Stevie me cappa have like the vocals de.
Yeah. yeah.
Olivia
Yeah.
bien. Yeah.
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 Ní ri héige an differidir like Best Vocal Album, Best Pop Vocal Album. Cuff me ceist Rory.
No, like you know,
Yeah.
like it's like Best Pop Live Album.
Yeah.
It's like, what?
Ní héige an difriocht.
That's
Agus-
mad though. Being a Grammys, sorry, on the Grammys ag only call mal ag chocht ceoltóir. It's like conas
Yeah.
a ceapan siad gur ceoltóir nua I Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish.
What?
Agus Carly Rae
Yeah.
Jepsen. Sorry.
Agus Olivia Rodrigo. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, like ní si like nua imríonna.
No.
Tá si
No.
after faúpla blian.
Yeah.
Agus beidir an ceistir na cé, so cé just cean sport an scoil clean sásta. Cé a bhuaig an Coran Downda sa fell.
Argentine.
Argentina.
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 Vamos. So yeah, I don't know KB an buach.
Pléann Sinéad.
You know,
Ceann ceart.
Rach, watha le paibliach de dhéanamh the Podchraoladh or Gorda, Derhimid Gore. Co-score a bhíán. Ag leir co-score is fiú leanúnt a chóirt dar Gorda, Sean a bhfuil Kieran agus gine go big mar tá Podchraoladh or nua sport acu de random co-score agus tá siad X.
Segway gen Scotiaid mai.
It's problem segues.
Yeah,
Yay! An bhid cruig na? An bhfuil Thomas J?
Bin fi do. So
Wow,
yeah,
Tasúil ra blion jazz agachna.
Asúlaguin gur blion jazz go léir agus go bhaid blion níos deise a gcuibh I fe is a 3. Woo!
Cún of J.
Yeah.
Yes, the cún of dua. Mar Dermot.
Cún of Dua.
Bigus le dua.
Biggest la dua. Do 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 do.
I should think of a stop.